सोर्सेस के लिए you don't have ideal source. What will have spectrum? Because not it is good, not because it is a good book, but because it is comprehensive book. That is all. Spectrum is actually, to be very honest, I wouldn't like to read it even for one day. सच बताऊं तो it used to be, as I said, pocket book which can be finished in 3 to 4 days. Now it takes at least 20 days. अगर आप दिन के 4 घंटा पढ़ने की हिम्मत करो, जुर्रत करो, तो आपको 20 दिन पढ़ने पड़ेंगे, तब जाके बस कवर टू कवर एक बार पढ़ के होगी. एंड वंस यू कम बैक टू इट टू रिवाइज, इट फील्स सब कुछ नया है ना. तो आई अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम. द सॉल्यूशन इज टू not to go to spectrum directly. Spectrum is about collection of spectrum के authors जो कुछ होंगे, 2-4 लोग होंगे. What have they done? They have not applied lot of thinking into making the book. Book has many flaws. But what they have done, which is a good thing, is they have collated the data from various books. The old NCERT data, it's spectrum. Bipan Chandra book in the spectrum. Even you have Sumit Sarkar book in the spectrum. Spectrum इतनी एक खिचड़ी है. It's not a book, it's a खिचड़ी of notes of various books. That's why it is not a reader-friendly book, but it has all the facts that require. That is one. Secondly, whenever they go for updating the book, they don't do it very organically. They keep adding chapters at the end. उससे chronology थोड़ी mismatch हो जाती है. So what we need is first clarity of thought of what is the central theme, what is the main chronology, what are the main issues. If you have that clarity of thought before reading spectrum, then you can benefit from spectrum. Then you know what to pick, what not to pick, what to the mental framework जो है chronology का, evolution of instances and facts का जो एक process जो storyline है, the storyline is it must be clear in your mind before you open the spectrum. Only then it becomes very useful. अब वो कैसे होगा? Modern India, Bipan Chandra NCERT of 11-12 standard जो आती है ना, old NCERT, that is the book. So this is my preferred way. It's a very simple book. उस किताब की खासियत क्या क्या है? It's a storyline. Secondly, it's not as big as spectrum. It doesn't have all the facts. Thirdly, it has got perspective, some arguments, some insight. And fourthly, it gives proportion equally to all the parts of syllabus. तो एक बार उस किताब को पढ़ ले. If you don't want to go for NCERT, go for any other book. Could be Tamil Nadu book, could be state board book, any state, doesn't matter. What you need to know is I have a clarity of thought about the major issues and major timeline. जो कोई किताब 200 पन्ने की होगी, it will take 2, 3, 4 days. एक बार वो कोई सी भी किताब जो आपकी प्यार की हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Even from your school days when you have studied modern India, वो किताब लेके आओ. It doesn't matter. But need to have clarity of timeline before opening spectrum. Spectrum will not give that. When I say clarity of timeline, what do I mean? I mean you should know decade by decade what are important issues. Sequence of major important things. What is coming first, what is coming later. This clarity must be there before opening spectrum. Then things will become very easy. Example लेता हूँ कैसे. In spectrum, you have a chapter on the policies of colonial government. There they have administrative policies, new acts and new laws, etc., etc. They have economic policies, which is fine. In the end, it gives other chapter, famines in the 19th century. Why? Famine is the outcome of the economic policy. It is not a separate chapter. As you go for agricultural commercialization, as you go for railway building, as you go for other things, one of the side consequences is famines. उसको साथ साथ डील स्पेक्ट्रम ने अलग चैप्टर दिया है और कई कोने में फेंक दिया उसको, तो टाइमलाइन की दिक्कत होगी. बट इफ यू आस्क मी कंटेंट कितना अच्छा है किताब में, फेमाइन का कंटेंट उन्होंने मोर देन एडिक्वेटली अच्छे से कवर किया हुआ है. सो कंटेंट वाइज स्पेक्ट्रम में इशू नहीं है, बट द सीक्वेंसिंग ऑफ चैप्टर्स इज सच दैट यू कैन नॉट इवॉल्व दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. तो वो पहले से हो फ्रॉम एनी सिंपल बुक. सो व्हेन आई से सोर्सेस, आई मीन one basic book for timeline, for sequence of events, for storyline, narrative building वहां पे हो जाए. Then you come to spectrum only for the facts and overall issues and arguments, जो कुछ आपको चाहिए सब कुछ वहां पे है. You will find it there if you know what to look for. And how would you know what to look for? When you have seen lot of PYQs. So PYQs को बार बार देखना is necessary. If you are reading any chapter from Spectrum, any chapter, then and there, exactly at that time, before and after, you have to look at the PYQs of that chapter. If you don't do that, reading the chapter is totally useless. Full stop.